Just in case your wife is ill and has to stay in bed, besides you being old thumbs in the kitchen, I share this very simple recipe to prepare oatmeal in the morning. A tip to start with is to be aware of the expiration dates on the milk containers. To always use first whatever has been in the fridge longer. Suppose we are going to prepare 3 cups of oatmeal. We're going to need 3 or 4 tablespoons full of oatmeal, a cup of water, a cup of milk, a pinch of salt, a pinch of ground cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of sugar, depending on your preference and usual diet at your home. The first thing I recommend you do is grind the oats a bit using the blender. In my case, the blender was down, so I had to use this hand blender. Although in the big blender you can grind the oats dry, with the hand blender it's necessary to add a little water to the oats so it doesn't spill all over the place. If you grind the oatmeal first, it cooks sooner and it's easier to eat. First, we look for a container with a capacity of about 2 liters and which has a custom-made lid. In the container, we are going to dump a cup of water, the previously ground oats, and put it on the stove. When it starts to boil, add the milk. At this time, we can add the 2 tablespoons of sugar, as well as salt and cinnamon. Here's where the fun begins. You have to lower the flame and constantly stir the oats. If it's not done, the milk will spill at the least expected moment. In fact, since I had the camera on one hand, it almost happened to me right there. After about 3 minutes, turn off the flame and cover the container for about a minute. Serve warm on a deep saucer or cup. I hope it came out very nice. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.